Good morning, treasurers. This is your host Parthesh Shah, co-founder of Night Fintech, and you are listening to Night Snippets. Here is all what you need to know before going into trade for 6th November 2020. In the international market, longer-dated US Treasury yields bounced slightly higher on Thursday after reaching 3-week lows earlier in the session on post-election volatility. The uptick in yields could be due to some profit-taking after this very tense period. A 10-year US benchmark closed at 0.79 and 30-year closed at 1.54 percentage points. Democrat Joe Biden inched closer to an election win over Republican President Donald Trump, but his party is falling short of expectations, with Senate looking increasingly likely to stay in Republican Donald Trump's hands. Expectation is there will be less spending, less fiscal stimulus. That means the US Federal Reserve has to continue keep rates lower for longer, and US will get slower growth and less inflation. Federal Reserve in yesterday's meeting kept interest rates at a record low, unchanged, and announced no new stimulus measures, and it signaled a willingness to do more if needed to support an economy under threat from worsening coronavirus pandemic. In the crude oil market, crude is now trading at $40.38 per barrel. Remember, we had initiated a buy call on Monday at $37 and squared off the same yesterday with $3.7 profit. That is approx 10% gain, and that too in just 4 days. Our quant models have been able to accurately grab this trading opportunity after sitting out for market for almost 3-4 months. Crude's short-term range is $39 to $42 per barrel. In the currency market, investors are now on risk-on mode, buying equities, selling dollar. A US dollar index is at 92.62 now from yesterday's high of 94.3 and is waiting for clear results for US presidential election race. DXY's today's range can be seen at 92.19 to 93.26. Meanwhile, USD CNY, which is Chinese yuan, is at 6.63 from yesterday's 665. USD INR yesterday with a high of 74.41 closed at 74.14. USD INR's range for today seems to be 73.80 to 74.05. Remember, we at Night Research were bullish on short USD INR trade near 74.70 levels. It has paid off, and we asked our currency clients to square off near 74.20 yesterday, and rest of the clients who have not squared off yet may square off near 74 levels today. Biden win could mean dollar index below 90 level as well in the medium term, so our currency hedgers can continue to hold that position for medium term. By the way, this USD INR short trade was more of a fundamental trade rather than a quant system trade. In the domestic market, government bond prices ended higher yesterday because of a fall in US Treasury yields amid uncertainty about the final outcomes of the US presidential election. 577 GS 2030 following the US bond yields ended at 5.86 percentage points, 3 basis points down from yesterday's 5.89. 5th November 2020 SDL OMO analysis. If we do that, RBI received offers worth rupees 13,020 crore and RBI accepted full rupees 10,000 crore in SDL OMO yesterday. The 10-year SDL acceptance range was 639 to 645, and that mainly included Tier 2 SDL states. Hence, from yesterday's SDL OMO, we can infer that SDLs in the 10-year can trade in the range from 640 to 645 in the near term. Recommendation still remains the same. We at Night Research have been vocal about exiting your SDLs at 640 to 645 range as soon as possible. Again, we expect a supportive market today and some minor profit bookings to take place today. There is a new GS 2022 and 2025 benchmark auctions today, and we advise our clients not to participate in the benchmark auctions for 2022 and 2025. We also advise our clients to exit the position from 522 GS 2025 in the next couple of months, as that segment will become illiquid and the illiquidity premium will start rising, and in turn yields will rise. You can participate in 577 GS 2030 auctions at 2 to 3 basis points higher from the market rates for tail bidding. Night Research will be available for auction cutoff ranges at 10:30 a.m. today. If you wish to optimize your bank treasury, help the profitability of your bank in this tough operating environment, make your treasury future growth ready, you may contact us at 9930307466 or research at knightfintech.com.